Hello everyone, welcome to iPlanet. Do you know how to use Shake to Undo feature in iPhone? Let's show how to do. First of all, open the settings, accessibility, touch, check Shake to Undo is enabled or not. By using Shake to Undo feature, you can bring back your deleted text. For example, wrongly deleted your grocery list. Don't worry about that. Just shake your mobile, bring it back again. If you not wanted that, redo options also available. If you like this feature, to know about more, please subscribe iPlanet channel. Thank you.